Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to day 59 of our 60-day trading challenge, and we are just one more day to go. And we had taken a 4 days break, as you all are aware, due to personal commitment. We were not able to trade in the last week, except for the Monday last week. And after that, we resumed back today. So today was our 59th day, and today was a no profit, no loss day, or a very minor positive closing day, which means you would have understood that today was a stop and reverse kind of a scenario was there today. In the morning, the market opened gap down, and then but the data points were all pointing a positive trend. And hence our first trade when the trade got initiated or strategy indicated a bearish trade trend for the day. We are not too confident, but yes, we do respect the strategy, whatever it indicates. So accordingly, we sold the call option. And yeah, let's get into the details of the trade so you will understand a bit more better with looking at the charts and other things. So in the morning, what happened was the trade got triggered where this is a 9:30 at 25,100 call we sold because the trend indicated was the bearish trend. And it indeed, as you see here, it was actually in a profits. From this is a Nifty chart, and indeed till 10 o'clock or so, 10:05 or so, it was in reasonable profits, and it by 10:25 or something like that, it came to the somewhere around the break-even level. And by 11:25, there was a break with, ORB breach. So, and hence we had to exit the trade. So, this is a candle on which we exited. And this also indicate, typically we follow the stop on reverse trade when the ORB gets breached. And normally the stop and reverse trade is more towards a long trade, the second trade. But today it was not supporting, the long trade was not supporting. As you see here, the VIX was at around 14 level, which is not very high nor too low. But the trend, it was not showing any up move, so which was not favorable for a option buying, and hence the second trade also we went in for the option selling per se. So the looking at the order, so what we did is at 9:30 we sold 25,100 call at 62.85, but we could cover that at around 77.50 or something like that. So that is a stop loss order we had put over there. So that is why this order got triggered at, as you see here, at 11:25. This order got triggered, and it took a minute or so for the next trade to take. So that 11:26. We sold the 24,700 put. So 24,700 put somewhere we sold here. This is a candle. This is the option chart of the 24,700 put. And our second trade objective is always to recover the first trade loss plus the trading cost of the both the trades. That we could achieve over here on this candle. This is the 125 candle. And as you see here, we 128 at 128 our set target of 47 rupees was reached. So we had sold it at 64.25 and we could cover it at 47 rupees, which means we were able to recover the trading loss and the cost. As you see here in the trading journal, the first trade was 25,100, which we sold at 62.85 and we covered it at 77.5. We incurred a trading cost of 56 rupees 70 paise, which means we lost about 1,155 rupees in the first trade. But the second trade where we sold 24,700 put, we sold it at 64.25 and we covered it at 47 rupees. And we incurred a trading cost of 55 rupees 70 paise, which means we made a profit of 1,238, which is slightly higher than the first trade. So, which means overall we added around 82 rupees profits for the day. That helped us to take the equity curve to the another peak level. Now our P&L stands at 20%, and our equity curve, is at the peak again. And it's as compared to previous trading session, that is the last Monday, it's more or less there. But just because the 80 rupees it got added, it of course this is the new peak for now. And with only one day to go, so it is getting validated what we have been saying from the day one, that the process ensures positive outcome. That is getting proved. We were not aware what the result could be. Anyway, more about it post we complete the 60 days tomorrow. But we are in such a comfortable zone. Now it is already our philosophy is getting validated with this process. So that's all for today. Thank you for your continued support. See you tomorrow for the last day of this 60-day trading challenge. And thanks a lot. Have a great day. Have a great evening. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.